Hi, Dad.
Hi.
Did you see I
Yes,
said
just feel it at Allendale now.
Well, it's really hot.
Oh, the mouth's going to be terrible.
Oh my God. May dental appointment kayo mamaya, guys. 2:30. 2 o'clock, I think.
No water.
No water now. Did you see Artem, Bev? Did you see Artem? Where? Look at my tent. Blowing down. Oh, big wave. Really cold. Ang tubig, guys, para siyang ice. Pero okay lang kasi sobrang init kaya okay lang naman. Is it cold, Ollie?
Ollie, Ollie.
Ollie, come here. Ala, la, la, la. Honey, get her babe. Suck it, Ollie. Hurry up, the babe.
Ollie, back.
She's alright.
I get her.
Okay, it's alright.
Ah! No. There you go. Look at it go.
Do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the touch, but never love the feeling.
How did you do? What time you left? 1:31. You see Ollie? Are you cold, Holly? Huh? Hi, Holly. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Get hi. Nanginginig na siya sa lamig. Nagpa-flying kiss ka pa dyan, ha? Si Kuya naghihintay ng wave. Ayan na. Nandun. Pag malapit yung wave, pakita ko sa inyo. Say hi, everyone! Hi! Are you cold, Bob? baby? Oh, yay! Say hi, Zach. Here. Oh, it's nice here, kuya. Ang sarap ng tubig guys. Sobrang init talaga. Are you cold? I'm not. I'm really hot. Malamig talaga yung tubig.
I'm gonna get mom wet. Is that your wedding shirt up there? Yeah. A wet drink?
Ha?
A wet drink?
Yeah.
Second.
The sandcastle. Okay. Let Holly help you, okay?
The wet sand makes it hard. Mom, I need dry sand.
Bring your bucket and get some dry sand. Holly! Ha? Ano yan? Oy, saan kang punta? Sinusundan niya si kuya niya. Zach, come on here.
Because if there's a wave coming like sandcastle, and the wave will knock it down.
Okay. So we need to move. Do you need help? Ang sakit ng init guys. So, si Jan nandun lang siya sa car. Ayan o. Ayan si Chani po. Pagod na yun. 1 o'clock siya nagising kanina. Tapos, punta siya mag-fish and pumunta na siya dito.
I love what you're starting. The temperature's rising, and how's that gonna happen? Reminding where I found and make a move. The fire and make a move. The fire and make a
So mag-aayos na ako dito guys. Ililigpit ko na sila kasi maya-maya aalis na kami. Kasi sobrang kita yung hangin. Tingnan nyo. Oo. And 12:30 na. So magre-ready pa kami kasi may dental appointment kami. Yung mga bata at saka ako. Ang init. Ayun sila oh. Si Jan. Ni Jan yung boy.
Mommy, can I have a towel, please?
Towel. Yeah. You don't need towel, Quib. So you're going to that. I need this towel to sit on my chair. Okay.
Can I use the other towel?
No towel. Okay. Let's go. Yes guys, gano'n ako kawawa. Sobrang init. Si Olio, tulog na siya. Napagod siya sa kakalaro patakbo kanina. Hi guys, papunta na kami ng dental appointment.
Fix your hair, Mom.
Ha?
Please fix your hair.
It's alright. Nag-shower ako, binasa ko yung buhok ko tapos trinay and then in-straight ko kasi yung sticky ng yung sunscreen. Are you ready boys for your dental appointment? First time nila to guys. Ha? Kuya, where's your slipper?
Yeah.
Hi Holly! Hi, say hi! Wave! Say hi! Say
I
hi!
just fixed my hair right here.
Oh, good boy. So what time is our appointment, huh? 2 o'clock or 2? Yeah, 2 o'clock. So time check is 1:44. Sobrang init guys. Tas sobrang lakas ng hangin. Dinuduyan yung car namin. Did you have fun at the beach, boys?
It's only 37.
Yeah, 37.
Dad, it's only 37.
37 degree. Kanina sobrang init.
Dad, don't turn it down.
So yeah guys, tingnan natin kung makapag-vlog ako doon sa dental. Tingnan natin. So we'll see you later guys. Say see you guys.
Yeah. Bye.
Pagod sila. Tingnan.
Sleep in 10.
Huh? Oh my God. May natutulog sa tent. Tingnan nyo guys yung temperature outside. Kung gaano siya kainit. It is 40 degrees. Ganyan siya kainit. Ito ang the hottest weather for this year. Huh? Nakatulog na si Holly. Holly?
Ali's eating
Hi!
a finger.
Are you eating your fingers?
Hello, bird, Papa.
Malapit na kami sa clinic. Are you excited? Are you? Excited daw si Zach. Well, si Zach.
Where's the dentist?
Si Zach kanina, brush niya yung ipin niya na paulit-ulit, as in paulit-ulit kanina. How many times you brush your teeth, Zach? Zach, how many times you brush your teeth? Where are you going, bro?
100.
Dentist, where you going?
100?
No.
You're lying. It's not 100 times.
4.
4 times.
No, it was actually 2.
No.
Sejang.
Oh my God, it's 41 now, guys. Tingnan. 41, tumas
I
na.
thought it was gonna
Ayan guys, tingnan nyo. 41, tumas na naman siya. Ganyang kainit guys. Can you imagine na? Punta kayo dito sa mall.
Sorry.
Ayan yung coast, tapos yung dental, ayun yung orange. Doon. So, malapit na kami. Ang init. Para kaming nasa oven
Yeah,
ngayon, guys. Okay. We'll see you later. We're here. Ayan. Yung clinic.
This one where Holly was.
Yes, dito naman sa loob ng clinic, guys. Nilalagay lang ni TJ yung shoes ni Holly. Good job, kuya. Another one.
No, she's not. Beep, 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 beep.
Thank you, kuya. Okay, done, kuya. Not too loud, okay? Ayan si Jan, nag-fill up ng forms para sa mga kids kay TJ tsaka kay Sa. Kasi ito talaga ang first time ever nilang magpa-dental. Never pa sila nakag-visit sa dental. So yun, ang sobrang init guys sa labas. Ang sakit sa ulo yung... Basta, ang sakit sa ulo yung...
Yeah.
So,
Mommy,
yes?
look. You can open up the back.
Where's Holly? Holly, come here. Ang sarap ng aircon. Tapos ako magpapalinis ako ng ipin. Ayan si Holly. 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 Yung Coles malapit lang. Tsaka yung Kmart. Guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayun yung Coles. Kmart. Chips as chips. Holly. Mahulog ka nga dyan. Kuya. Coles. Wash your head, kuya, ha? How's that? Are you excited? Don't sleep, okay? Listen.
Alright, except you gotta lie your back, okay? You go for a little bit of a ride. Okay. way back. Alright, exactly. So, I'm gonna have a little look with my mirror, okay? I'm just gonna use this and have a look around. So, can you have a really wide look? That's it. Good. Instead of 1, 6.
Well done,
So,
Zach. Keep on.
using adult toothpaste now?
Yeah.
Probably?
Yeah.
Yep. Adult toothpaste. Otherwise, everything looks pretty good.
Okay, good.
All good.
Okay, you're done, Zach.
All done.
Why?
Wait, Zach.
Ah.
Good stuff, Zach. Do you like dentist now? Do you? Okay, Kuya's toy. Give it to Kuya. Kuya's toy. See? The doctor said you have to keep brushing your teeth. Morning and then before bed.
Gonna lie you back now, okay? Here we go.
Hey, look up the top. That's a vein.
Okay. Let's have a look. That's it, awesome.
You have to use it.
The gum line as well, okay? Hold on to that for me. Have a look in the mirror. That.
Is that your dad?
Right.
Daddy.
So when you brush your teeth, you really gotta make sure you brush up here, okay? Brush all along the gum line.
Yeah.
Like that. So if you hold, I'll hold this, you hold the toothbrush. How do you brush your teeth? Can you show me how to brush your teeth? That's it. So you gotta go like that. And a nice small circle, okay? And then you gotta brush the outside, and you gotta brush the inside of the tooth as well, and the top of the tooth. So like that as well, okay? And say for the back teeth, for the back teeth, you stretch the cheek out, and brush like that, the outside of it,
But
and then you're gonna brush the top of the tooth. And then you gotta brush the inside of the tooth as well. Okay? You think you can try and do that at home for us now? Yeah? Twice a day, alright? And the outside, the top, and the inside. Alrighty? Can you do that? Yep. Can you show me how you do that again? Let's do the outside of the tooth. Good. Very good.
yeah, we're done here, guys. We're done. Tapos na yung dental appointment namin.
Yeah.
Say hi. Yes. Sak was brave. And also Kuya. Do you like dentist now, Kuya? Do you like dentist?
What do you take that?
Zach, do you like
This
dentist?
is blue.
Yeah.
I like
Everything was good.
Top is the.
You get the bear. Oh. No, don't go there, Papa. Don't go there. That's not yours. Put it back. Put it back, Papa. Put it back. Good girl. Good Uy, nakakuha ng bagong new what? Toothbrush. So how you gonna brush your teeth from now on? Round and then
What is that tape?
yes, and then your gums as well.
Where's your gum?
So yan. Uwi na kami. Si Jan may appointment pa. Dito na naman kayo sa labas. Ang init. Honey ha. Go start the car, babe, and put the air conditioner.
Where's your wallet?
So yan, tapos na. Ngayon si Jan naman. Punta siya sa... Where you going, babe? What's that called, babe? Liana's. What's that?
How's chiropractor?
Yeah, ito yan. May appointment siya sa kanyang
They don't take
back.
the dump. That lady don't take the dump.
Ang init talaga. 41 pa rin.
40.
41. What I'm gonna have. We're having McDonald's for tea tonight. That one, hon, why don't you get the box, babe? It looks nice. The classic, Mac Classic. You see that, babe? Why don't you get that one, babe? Wait,
Why can I get cooked?
where is it?
Oh.
Meron silang parang package. Bless your sack. Tagal naman. Why don't you get that one, babe? Instead of having the kids meal and all that.
No, there's 2 chicken burgers there.
Yeah, and one.
1 Big Mac, cheeseburger.
You think so?
Well done, buddy.
Bahay na kami, guys. Ipakita ko lang sa inyo yung nabili namin sa McDonald's. Ito siya, yung family box. Family box, tapos may 4 drinks. And yung loob. Kumuha siya na extra cheeseburger. So, yan ang loob niya, guys. Oh. Ito, extra to kayo dyan. Ano? Yeah, cheeseburger. This one. So, how many we got? Ayan, okay na. Wash your hands out.
I have a look.
Okay, wash your hands,
Wow.
please. Wow.
Where's my burger?
Yeah, Zach. For that one, close.
Yan. Dalawang malaking French fries or chips. Ayan. And, ayan guys. Oh. Ayan. May chicken nuggets, Big Mac, and another Big Mac. So, yun guys. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. See ya! Say see ya!
See ya.